Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you create Cash App account. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to launch the Cash App, and after that guys you have to wait some seconds. As you can see guys, it's asking you to put your phone number. You can also use your email address instead of phone number. Now you have to tap on use email. As you can see guys, now you can also use the phone number or use email. Now I'm going to put my email address. So once you have put your email address, just simply have to tap on next. Okay guys, I'm going to tap on next from here guys. Now after that you have to wait some seconds. As you can see guys, it's asking me to put the confirmation code. So you have received the confirmation code after putting the email address. As you can see guys, 736390. So you have to put the same confirmation code that you have received to your email address, and after that you have to tap on next again. Now wait some second from here guys. Now as you can see guys, confirm your country. Now I'm going to select United States because this is a local app of United States. That's why it's showing just United States. So as you can see guys, here you have to put the information. You can put debit card number or birthday, or you can also put the 3-digit CVV of your debit or credit card, or you can also put the zip code of your state or city. Okay guys, so you have to put the information. Now I'm going to skip this, and here you have to put your first or second name. Okay guys, so you have to put your name if you want to put it. So you can also put your nickname here. Now I'm going to put my name here. Wait some seconds. Now just tap on next from here guys. Now you can put cash tag from here. Now I'm going to put my cash tag. Now after that guys, you have to tap on next again. Now I'm going to tap here. Now wait some second from here guys. So guys, from here you have to put the zip code of your state or city. Now I'm going to put my zip code. It's 90201. So you have to wait some seconds. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on next if you want to apply cash card. Okay guys, tap on next. Now let me show you here are the style of your cards. So you can see here some cards are paid and some are free. So first three cards are free, so you can apply these cards. Okay guys, you can skip this. So now you can also invite your friends. Okay guys, if you want to invite us, so here you have to put phone number to invite our friends. So you can see here guys, my cash is ready to use. So you can see here guys, now this is my account, this is my profile. Now let me show you here guys. As you can see guys, here is my contacts. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.